there, grass rats. Have you bought any of our merchandise yet? Well, you need to head over to our store, TarylFixesAll.com. Pick yourself up some merchandise. We got all kinds of stuff. Check it out. And there's your dinner. Pterodactyl here, and I want to do a follow-up video on this Flow Tool portable fuel filter. Now, we did one a few months back, and I was getting attacked in the comment section saying that I was pouring it too fast. You're pouring it too fast. You're pouring it too fast. I read through these instructions, and nowhere on here does it tell you to pour it slowly. Now, I know I've seen other YouTubers do videos on this thing. I'm doing one on this thing because I've been using it for a while, and it doesn't work like they claim it works. So I've got a container here that's full of just water. Now, when I first got this thing and I poured water in it, none of the water passed through. But as you use this thing, that little filter in there gets clogged up and it lets water get through, even though it says it's self-cleaning. So check it out. That's water, and it's letting it through. Now, if I kind of rub on it with my hand, whatever's in that thing, see, now it's stopped. Now it's stopped going through. Some of it. It slowed it down. See, it kind of slowed it down. So, the problem with this thing is, when you're pouring gas through it, you're usually pouring it into a container that you can't see into. So you don't know if it's filtering or not. So I've got a container here that's got some nasty water in it. And I'm going to pour it slowly. But you know what? When you pour it slowly, the water is heavier than the gas, so the water is going to stay down there. It's not going to get poured through. And again, nowhere on the funnel or in the instructions. I'm pouring this in just as a regular person would pour it in, because most people don't even read the instructions. It does kind of work, but you got to pour it through sometimes 3 or 4 times to get all the water out of there. Here's the water. It's heavier than the gas. So of course the gas is going to go through first. You're pouring it too fast. You're pouring it too fast. That shouldn't matter. And again, nowhere in the instructions does it say to pour it slowly. It even says in there somewhere that if there's all kinds of fuel additives and stuff in the gas, it may let the liquid or the water pass through. Now I'm at the water point. Here's all that nasty water, which is it's supposed to filter it out. And as you can see, it's all cloudy. And look, there's still water in there. So it filtered some of it out. But again, when you're pouring it into a container that you can't see into, you don't know if it's working or not. So it kind of works again. You just got to do it a bunch of times, and you better have a clear container. So it did filter out most of the water, but I'm letting it sit there. Again, going to have to run this through that funnel 2 or 3 times to get it all out. So yeah, it doesn't matter if you pour it fast or slow. It doesn't work. It kind of works. So this Flow Tool funnel is the Mr. Funnel brand. Flow Tool. Made in the USA. This isn't no knockoff. This is Mr. Funnel. And again, it lets some of the water through. That filter in there somehow gets plugged up and lets the water through. I showed you how it was doing it. Now right now it's not. But it does let some of the water pass through. Now this is starting to settle out. It's been sitting for a minute or two and you can see it. It's in there. I'm not trying to trick anybody. I'm just showing you. I'm using the thing. I wish it would work. It doesn't work. Garbage. Well, I was finally able to get all the water out of the fuel with this Mr. Funnel. 4 times I had to go back and forth and then keep dumping the funnel. I dumped this jar out a couple times. There was a lot more water than this in there. 4 times back and forth. And it didn't matter how fast or how slow I poured it. And still, there's still a very small amount of water in the bottom. Still a very little trace amount that was in there. Now this has been sitting here all day, so the cloudiness has gone away. Seems like an awful lot of work to kind of get a little bit of water out. Now again, let me reiterate. I've been using this funnel as a regular funnel. I don't know if that little filter in there, if something happened to it, because when I first got it and I poured water in it, nothing was coming out the bottom. And it even says on there that if there's different additives and stuff in the fuel, it may pass through the funnel. So it kind of works. I just want you to be aware of that. If you got one of these funnels, just don't take it for granted that it's going to filter the water out. Again, if you're pouring it into a container you can't see into, you don't know if it's filtering the water out. That's why I did this little test. And it got most of it out, but again, had to do it 4 times. Pour it from container to container to keep filtering it out. And there's your dinner.